Are you tired of people making fun of you because you are stupid? Well, today you are in luck. Now you can impress your friends by showing them how good you are at Sudoku. So this video is going to teach you how to get better at Sudoku. I'm going to teach you a few specific techniques, maybe 3 or 4 different techniques to figure out some of those numbers. And we're going to start with the first one. Number one, I call this technique triangulation. Like you see a number, and basically you can consider that the whole line cannot have this number anymore. So for example, here we're gonna have the number 2, and we can see that this number 2 right here, the whole line right here and the whole line right here cannot have 2 anymore. As a matter of fact, even the whole square cannot have 2 anymore. So why is it useful? Well, let's say you have several of those numbers. Now there is only, in this little box on the bottom right, there is only 2 places where you can put the 2. Now let's say for example that you have another 2 right here, up. So again, triangulation. This eliminates these 2 right here. And you know for sure that there's going to be another 2 right here. So that's one of the techniques that I use in Sudoku. Always, have a mental image that the whole line, vertically and horizontally, is going to be blocked by that number. Basically, that number cannot be in any of those lines. You can see also from this next example that all the places are blocked within this square, within the bottom left square, because of the 2 are blocking the whole line vertically and horizontally. The last 2 can be at only one place. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example on the real Sudoku that we're going to do online, and I'm decided to just pick an easy one. We're going to apply only the technique that we just learned. So hopefully there's going to be a lot. Okay, so already you can see right here, we have a 2 covering the whole left line right here, and another 2 covering the whole left line right here, and we have a 2 covering this whole line. So therefore, within this whole square, all the places are blocked except this one. This one, we can safely put a 2 right here. We can continue. So another 2 right here is blocking the whole line right here, and this whole line right here. And since we have another 2 right here blocking this whole line, we can safely put a 2 right here. We can continue with 2. So usually one thing that is good when you're starting to put a particular number, keep looking around for all those triangulation technique. So here as well, you can continue with 2. You can pretty much go all the way into the end. The more 2s, the more of one number you have, the more chance you have to have situation where you can fall into those triangulation technique. And here another 2, we have completed all the 2s in this puzzle. Next video, we are going to learn about the next technique that we can use for solving the Sudoku.